Hi, Eduardo. Just getting a hold of you here, looking at Graphic Design 2 gradebook, um, seeing that you're missing quite a few things. Just going to go over those things that you're missing in order of importance. So probably the most important thing is going to be the poster design and the brochure design. Those are major projects that you'll have to get in order to do well in the class. Um, Sorry, my radiator is squeaky. Plus, I'm missing your quizzes. So chapter 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all going to be due. It looks like you did 1 and 2, but you haven't done 3, 4, 5, or 6 yet. So those are all really hurting your grade, the quizzes. So you'll have to read those and take the quiz. I'm also missing the follow-along assignment, the simple logo creation. That would be using Illustrator. Brochure thumbnails. So when you do your brochure project, make sure you do the thumbnails. You'll get credit for that. And then the InDesign warm-up exercise I never got from you. So you'll have to kind of go through the content areas and find those and try and follow along. But obviously the poster and the brochure thumbnails are going to be, and the quizzes are probably going to be the things that you really need to be focusing in on. If you could get through chapter 3 and 4 quiz this week before Friday, and then maybe 5 and 6 over the weekend, get your poster into me, and then start your brochure. I don't think you're going to be able to get all this stuff done in the amount of time that we have left in the semester, because we have about 6 days left, maybe. So you're going to have to probably take an incomplete and get this work done over the winter break. So, using the library computers to get it done. And it's something that you're going to want to do before spring semester starts, because once you start spring semester, you're going to want to be focusing on your classes for spring semester. So think about taking an incomplete and getting it done over the break. We have a fairly long break. You should be able to get through this work if you work relatively diligently. It shouldn't be too hard for you to get through this stuff, especially if you can get that poster into me and the brochure thumbnails before the end of the semester, and maybe a couple of quizzes. Your work will be whittled down quite a bit from there. So anyway, don't give up. Just keep on trucking along here. This semester's been a tough semester, so let me know if you want the incomplete. You can, email me telling me I want an incomplete. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon and have a good winter break. And let me know if you need that incomplete. Talk to you later. Bye.